Well, welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and Earth Day is tomorrow. Earth Day is tomorrow, which got me thinking, is there Moon Day? Because oh, that was a horrible example. No, the moon's not a planet. I meant is there Mars Day? Do we celebrate Mars Day? I know the aliens celebrate Mars Day. Anyways, today we are going to be making some Earth Day inspired treats. They're actually going to be donut hole pops. Now, I wanted to make cake pops, but I realized a donut hole is the inside of the donut that you don't usually eat. It's the recycled part. And that's what Earth Day is all about. So today we are going to be making some Earth Day inspired globe donut pops. The ingredients for this recipe are donut holes, blue candy melts, green candy melts, and lollipop sticks. The first thing we want to do is to take our donut holes and attach them to our lollipop sticks. What is this? This is no donut hole. It's like a donut half. This is going to be hard because these are not spheres. This is the wackiest bunch of donut holes I've ever seen. But if Earth looked like this, we'd be in trouble. It's like an asteroid. Pew! Okay, to do this, I've got our blue candy melts. I've melted them down. Our lollipop sticks, and I've also got a piece of styrofoam that I kind of pre-poked some holes into to allow the donuts to dry. Take your lollipop stick, dip the tip into your candy melts, and then insert it halfway into your donut. This looks like a science fair project. I totally could have made the whole entire solar system. Mercury, Mars, Earth, and the rest of them. I don't know what order they're going. Saturn, Venus. I know Pluto's not a planet, but I really want it to be Pluto. Once the candy melts have hardened on your donut, now we can start to fully dip these. I've got our same blue candy melts. The only difference is I've added a little bit of coconut oil. This is just going to help to smooth out the candy melts. Take one of your pops, dip it all the way into your blue candy melts, drizzle off any excess, and place it back on your styrofoam stand to harden. The world's coming to an end. It's because everyone's using plastic straws. After your blue candy melts have hardened, now we can add on the last detail. We gotta give this Earth some continents. To do this, I've melted down our green candy melts, put them into a tiny piping bag, snip the tip, and now just have fun with it. You kinda can be abstract, but there's only 7 continents, so. And here we have them, our Earth Day inspired donut hole pops that we made today. In honor of Earth Day, this is a fun way to celebrate Earth Day, a holiday that everyone should really go out and do something for the environment. And it doesn't have to be limited to just Earth. You could make Mars for Mars Day if that's the thing. The moon, the sun, whatever you'd like. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Earth Day, donuts, whatever you saw in this video. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I just ate Europe. It tasted good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video. And down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday.